Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super delicious, easy to make, cheesy lemon pepper potatoes. Perfect for your holiday table, perfect for fall, nice and homey, nice and comforting. So let's get straight into it. Honestly, one day I just woke up and wanted potatoes for lunch, and that's pretty much how I came up with this idea. Y'all know I've been using banana peppers a lot in these few last recipes, and that's because it's good. You know, a lot of people don't cook with it; they throw it on top of a sandwich or something. But I love it in cook form with food. So I'm gonna be using the banana peppers as well as these potatoes to enhance the flavor and just give it like a uniqueness. So to my boiling water, I added a little kosher salt, not too much. And then I'm going to add my potatoes and cook it for 11 minutes. 11 minutes. 11. Okay. Remove them from the pot and just drain them or put them on whatever you want. I just wanted it a little drier, so I left it on the paper towel so that it'll be easier to sear and I won't have oil or butter splattering all over the place. But yeah, and that's why I removed it that way. These are the banana peppers. I didn't chop them or nothing. I took them out the pan, out the jar, just how they came. To my skillet, I'm going to add some butter down in here. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. Make sure you guys check that out. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share my video if you're enjoying it or like the recipe. So now I'm going to put my potatoes in the skillet once the butter is melted face down. I'm on medium heat. You don't want it to be too high. You want to gently sear it. Don't fry it like fry hard. After about 5 minutes, I then added the peppers because I didn't want the peppers to cook for too long alongside the potatoes. So after about 5 minutes, it's still searing. I added the peppers down in here. I'm also going to start seasoning it up. But y'all, once I added the peppers, the smell is just incredible and crazy. Also, the reason why I didn't use that many seasonings, I used garlic powder, lemon pepper seasoning, and black pepper. Can't go, it's never enough, is what I'm saying. Um, but I didn't use a lot of seasoning here because I didn't want to over salt the potatoes. Banana peppers are, they're pretty up there with sodium. So you want to, just be careful with the seasoning and the salt. This is how you want the potato to sear on that face down side. And now I'm going to flip them all over and season them on the again. And that's pretty much it with the seasoning. But you could use your favorite lemon pepper. That was clearly not Misha's Corner. It slit lemon pepper, honey, okay? But I still used what looked good in my store. This is what the potatoes look like, nice and delicious and done. Then you want to sprinkle on some white cheddar. You can use a cheese you prefer, but I feel like with lemon pepper, white cheddar is something milder. Just takes it up a notch versus overpowering the potatoes and the lemon pepper seasoning. So it's more so about balance. Also, as you can see, I was able to keep the integrity of the pieces of potatoes by not aggressively stirring it or aggressively draining it from the water. On the Thanksgiving or the holiday table, you want everything to look perfect and on point. Just take your time. This is your family now. You want to impress your family. Take your time. Go slow if you're a little scared and keep it moving. But this is how it looks. It smells amazing. Once the cheese starts to melt, cut the stove off. Y'all, look at this. Look at, oh, not the soldier that fell overboard. But look at this. I can't. You're not getting this at someone's restaurant. You have to make this at home. Okay, yes, I'm tooting my own horn. Let's get into it. Okay, we're going to get into it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. Don't forget to support my videos by sharing, liking, and telling your friends and family about it. And here I go, trying to feed y'all a piece of potato. Y'all swear I don't share. Okay? But this is how it looks. Perfectly seared, perfectly cooked, nice and tender, cheesy, delicious. And I'm just going to cut through it so you can see how tender it is. But y'all, I hope y'all try this potato recipe because it's really good. But look how nice and tender this is. Let's look at that. Right through the fork. I mean, right through the potato. But I'll catch you on my next one, guys. Bye.